On this edition of Milestones with Jerry Adjorlolo, we focus on the work of the World Resources Institute as they launch Restore Local in Ghana. So history was made on the 25th of February 2025 in Chibi in the eastern region of Ghana, where under the distinguished patronage of His Majesty the Ochehene Osagyefo Amoitiofo Penny, a global champion of restoration and sustainability, key stakeholders from state institutions, the private sector, civil society organizations, and restoration champions, together with the World Resources Institute and their partners, launched the Restore Local initiative. This program comes at a time when our country's forests are said to be depleting at an alarming rate, affecting forest-dependent communities and the nation at large, especially in the cocoa belt landscape, which is experiencing very significant biodiversity loss, soil depletion, reduced water availability, and increased greenhouse emissions. So this program will focus on the Ghana cocoa belt, contributing to Ghana's goal of restoring 2 million hectares of degraded lands by 2030, and overall the Africa Forest Landscape Restoration Initiative, what we all know as the AFR 100. The movement will work to restore Ghana's vital landscapes through capacity development, innovative financing, supportive policies, and effective monitoring systems. It's a beautiful story of local ownership through local knowledge by local hands for local benefit, thereby driving meaningful change at the grassroots level. For me, it was an honor to be part of this program. Personally, I think Restore Local is not just a program, it's a call to action. It's a movement to empower communities, restore ecosystems, and address the urgent challenges of climate change, biodiversity loss, and environmental degradation. In the words of the director, Global Restoration Initiative, Sean DeWitt, he says, and I quote, "This is not just about restoring lands, it's about sowing the seeds of a new restorative economy, one that creates jobs, builds wealth, respects the natural environment, and values natural resources while putting people and nature at the front and center of prosperity." In short, it's a new economy that rewards those who regenerate the earth and not those who exploit it or look on unconcerned. Thanks to Restore Local, we have a say in how the story ends for us and for posterity through significant steps forward in our collective journey toward a more sustainable and resilient future. It is Restore Local, and it's our movement.